Hi guys, today but be quiet because my mum is asleep and she says no slam, no
slam.
No.
Mummy is in bed and she said we're not allowed to make slam, but we're going to make slam anyway, but we're going to be really quiet. Guys, don't forget at home, if you like slam, leave a comment down below and like this video. Right, let's make some slam. That's it, put a little bit in. That's enough, that's enough. Give some to Angel. Give some to Leah, put some in your bowl. Shh. I know. Oh, that's enough. Okay, we've got to be really quiet. Guys, this recipe, we're going to use baking soda. Angel, close that door there so we can talk normally. So don't wake Mummy up. Close that door, that one.
Granny up.
No, don't wake Granny up. Oh, well done. That's better, now we can talk normally. Angel.
Baking soda?
1 spoonful of baking soda.
This isn't it.
That's it. One of them full. Oh. You said you weren't going to make any mess.
I just did.
That's enough. Ooh, that was a lot. Leo, do you want to use a little spoon?
No, big one.
You can put 2 of those in instead. 2 little ones.
Okay.
That's it, because that one fits inside. 2 of those. 1, 2. That's enough. That's it, that's enough, Leo, because it won't work. That's enough. Oh, that's enough now. Oh, Leo, you need to put a bit more glue in. Put a bit more glue in.
No, I really if you want me to mess.
Oh, Angel, you said you weren't going to make any mess. Whoa, stop. Okay, now mix.
I'll just do that mess up.
Oh.
Mixing it. Doesn't matter.
Mix, Leo, really good. What colour slam are we going to make, guys?
I want some like, I don't really know.
You don't know what colour you want?
I want blue slab.
Let me mix the corners, You hold the bowl, and I'll mix it.
Daddy, I want to pat my fans up there.
Pardon?
I want to pat my fans up and like, do like different colours.
Okay.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
Daddy, I want my slime to be blue.
You want blue slime?
Yeah.
What was that? Was it Mummy?
The gate.
Oh, it was the gate outside. Quick. Right, okay. Leo, pass me that liquid.
Can I put it in?
Let me just show everybody what we're using. It's the liquid for doing for your eye. I'm being quiet, being really quiet.
For your eyes.
For your eyes, yeah.
What I had.
Okay, ready?
No, I have to put it
Okay,
in.
just a square. Oh, that's enough.
I had that in my eyes, didn't I?
Quick, Angel. Yeah, it's for contact lenses. Quick.
Oh, enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
What was that?
Was that Mummy? Just be quiet, because you might be waking up in bed. Just be really quiet. Okay, hold the ball, Leo. Hold the ball.
It's might be cool.
That's it, put that in front of the door. That's it, Leo. Put this chair in front of the door as well. Because if she catches it... Oh, that was too loud. Leo, if Mummy catches us making slime, she'll go crazy.
It's going to be locked for a door.
What colour are you going to make it?
Blue.
Blue. What about bright pink?
Yeah.
Blue. You want blue?
Make mine. Yeah, but
Leo, don't put too much of that blue paint in there.
some gold.
Don't put too much in.
Can you give me some gold? Cause look at that.
Yeah, I'll get you some gold. Just let Leo put his blue in. Just a little bit this time, Leo. Just a little bit.
Hello.
Good job, Leo. Good job.
Remember that?
Oh, that's really.
I'm putting glitter in it.
That's really good blue.
I'm putting any glitter in it.
You want glitter on it?
Yeah. Quiet, Daddy. You're never gonna be quiet. Can't you remember with F3? Guys, so now I'm gonna add my painting. That's enough. Paint. Now where's my fork gone, Daddy?
Be quiet though.
Please, you're being the noisy. Daddy, you're actually being noisy.
Daddy, I like it when slime's not really sticky. Makes it really unsticky.
Whoa, Daddy, look at that. Oh, Daddy, look at that.
Oh wow.
Need a bit more.
Daddy, how about you use this one? No, put a hole in it. So what I'm talking about, put a hole in that one.
I've got a bit of blue too.
That's enough.
This will make it.
One
How
little
can I feel it?
of blue, blue, blue.
It doesn't feel very sticky. It's not very. This is making it. Daddy,
Yeah,
put a
look at
hole.
it, Daddy.
No, that's enough, Adam.
Looks beautiful. Look at
Daddy,
that.
please put a hole in that
That's
one.
what yours is ready now.
Mine.
That's enough, Leo.
Look, this is so good. I want more in.
Look.
Oh, Angel, that's bogey slime.
I'll wake Mummy up and I'll say you did all the fun. Leave on that air.
I've made birdie slime. This makes gold and blue and then
That is bogey slime. So, Angel, how do you make bogey slime?
Okay, so first you need some glue. Here's the glue that we use. Glue. And then you need some of the baking soda. And then you need some eye drops. What I had.
Whoa, that's super stretchy.
And then you need the colour. And then you need some like activated.
And my slime first has glue,
Leo,
then baking bits and
bacon bits?
and then lots of and some eye stuff.
Leo, do you think you've put a little bit too much colour in yours because it's making your hands blue?
Paint and
It's not making
some
damage because I only put one drop of
and
it.
some of dip.
Oh, some airwick.
Yeah.
Stops it being sticky. Angel, where will we have these? So, Mummy.
Hey, guys, come.
Come. Quick, go. Find a really good space. Where do you think?
I think in there, Daddy.
You're hiding it in that kitchen.
No, but it's too big.
Leo, I don't think it'll fit in there. Oh, it'll fit in there. Perfect. Yeah, Mummy will never find that, will she?
Guys, I hope Mummy doesn't find our slime.